Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the feature in some digital DSLR and mirrorless cameras. It is called user settings or user banks. These customizable settings allow photographers and videographers to save their favorite setting into these banks and later on switch between them for different shooting scenarios easily and quickly. Let's imagine that you're on a street and you are capturing the essence of urban life in black and white. Suddenly you spot a bird and you want to take a couple of shots of this bird in color. With these settings, you don't need to go back to the menu, look for something, or change anything. All you have to do is to turn the mode dial knob on the top of the camera and you're all set. These settings are designed to help you avoid missing the shot, missing the moment. On Nikon cameras, these are labeled as U1, U2, and some cameras U3. Nikon Z50 has two of these settings, Z7, Z62, Z63, Z72 have three of them, and Nikon Z8 and Z9 have four. So without any further ado, let me walk you through Nikon Z63 menu and show you how to save your settings into one of these banks. First thing to do is to put your camera in manual mode. If you're using a tripod, you can use a very low shutter speed. I usually shoot between 1 to 2 seconds. For f-stop, I recommend something between 8 and 16, depending on the focal length of your lens and also the lighting situation. I change ISO in the menu, go to photo shooting menu. Image area is going to be FX or full frame. Image quality raw. ISO sensitivity. The lowest native ISO on Nikon Z63 is 100. So I set it to 100. White balance auto. Set picture control. These picture controls only affect JPEG. If you're shooting RAW, just forget about this. Color space sRGB. Metering is going to be spot metering for landscape. Release mode, single frame. Focus mode, single AF. AF area mode, it's going to be single point AF. Vibration reduction. If you're using a tripod, just turn this off. This is going to save you a little bit of a battery. Otherwise, just turn it on and either use normal or sport. Auto bracketing. This feature allows you to shoot between 3 to 9 frames with increment of 1 to 3 stops. When you use this feature, you can increase the dynamic range of your image. To save this setting for landscape to user setting 1 or U1, go to Wrench, go to Save User Setting, and save it to U1. Now, anytime you put your camera in MU1, all your settings are over here and you're ready to shoot. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you found it useful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Take good care, keep shooting. I'll see you later. Cheers.